Product categories are a way to organize your product on your website. It makes it a lot easier for your shoppers to locate the specific type of products they would like to place orders for. To create product categories, you start by going to Catalog and click the Categories option. On the page that opens, you'll see a list of different categories on your website. The category name simply lists the category name. It lists the name of the category, and if the category is a subcategory, it will list the parent under which the category is placed. The sort order is the position of the category relative to other categories. So if a category has a sort order of 1 and another has a sort order of 2, the one with the sort order of 1 is going to appear on the list before the one that has a sort order of 2. Now, visibility affects where that category will be displayed. There are 3 visibility options. There's mobile app only, there's website only, and there's everywhere. So if the visibility is everywhere, it means that the category will be displayed on your website, your mobile website, and your mobile app if you have one. If it's mobile app only, then it means that the category is going to show only on your mobile app and your mobile website. So let's start by, let's go through how to add a new category. Click the Insert button. Then out comes the category form. Over here, the first option, the first field is the category name. So let's type long dresses, for example. Now there's the meta tag description and meta tag keywords. The meta tag description is useful for search engine optimization, or SEO for short, purposes. Now, if you enter a description here, it's not going to be displayed directly to your shoppers. It's actually going to be visible mainly to search engines when they're indexing your website. So it's not mandatory, but it's a lot recommended and beneficial to fill in this field. When you fill in this field, try and put things that keywords that are related to the product proper. That's the kind of products that would be inside this category. So, for example, I can say here would have green long dresses, dinner gowns, opera gowns, and whatever kind of category product you can think of. So it's really beneficial. Now, meta tag keywords. This is also supposed to be for search engines. It's not as important nowadays because search engines don't really rely on this tag anymore. So you can leave that blank, or you could just fill it for the few search engines that might. So you could just, for example, copy your keywords and place them here. So let's just do that. Let's modify our meta tag description to something more readable, like shop online. Because so that when people see this in search engines, it's not just a list of keywords, but actually a proper sentence. So your description, this is just the description of the kind of products that will be in the category. Now this would actually be visible to your shoppers, so you'd want to write something that is presentable. So let's say shop online. Okay, now if you scroll back up and you'll notice there's a data tab. Now the first field on the data tab is the parent field. This field is useful if you want to make your category, in this case long dresses, a subcategory of another existing category. So let's say you'd like long dresses to go under a category called dresses. Let's go back to a category list and confirm the existing categories we already have. Okay, yes, we have an existing category called dresses. So if we go back to our category form, we can start typing the word dresses. Now you need to take note, when creating a parent category, you need to just start typing the name of the category. And even before you complete it, a drop down is going to appear. And so from the drop down, you need to select. It's important that you do this. You can't just type in the category name. The drop down has to appear, and then you need to select the category from the list. So I select dresses. All right. So there's the filters keyword. That is if you actually have already configured filters, but we don't need that for now. So let's just leave this. SEO keyword. This is if it's just one keyword you'd like to use for search engine optimization, but you can leave that for now. Now the image, this is useful if you'd like the category to have a particular display image that will show on the category page. For top, that is if we want the category to appear in the top menu, it's enabled by default, so you probably leave it that way. Columns, this you can ignore, it's not that important anymore. So there's a sort order field, which I explained already what that does. The visibility, you can see the 3 visibility options everywhere: website only or mobile app only. And there's a status. For the status, you can choose to enable or disable the category. If the category is disabled, that means it's not going to appear on your website. So let's save. All right, it tells you success, you have modified categories. So if you scroll down now, you'll see there's a long dresses, which appears underneath dresses. So we created our category. Now there's a very nice tool I'd like to show you. If you notice this button, it says category importer / exporter. This tool is very useful if you would like to create multiple categories at once. It's especially useful if you're setting up your store for the first time. So let's click it. All right. You'll notice a text area that enables you to type in category names. So instead of filling that form, which could be quite tedious if you're creating multiple categories at once, you can actually just type your categories. So in this case, let's say we have, let's call these. Now, if you want to create a category underneath another category, you can actually just do that by typing the greater than symbol after the category name. So we know we already have a category called dresses. So let's just type that. Of course, you can't have any typos. You must make sure the category name you're typing is exactly as it appears on your site. So I put the greater than symbol, and then I type knee length dresses. Okay, and so if I click import categories, all right, it gives us the information new categories 1. So 1 new category has been created. So if I go back to the categories page, all right, so you notice there's dresses and knee length dresses has been created. So that's a very easy way to create multiple categories at once. So there you have it. That's how to create product categories on StoreMantis. Thank you.